What is this monkey doing on this dog's back? Going for a ride. Every morning, Avni the monkey hops right onto Manu the dog's back. And off they go. They walk everywhere together. Because these two are best animal friends. Avni and Manu love to hang out. Well, Avni does the hanging, Manu does the walking. They eat together, my favorite, grass. And sniff the dirt together. Find anything good, Manu? And basically do everything together. But dogs aren't usually best friends with monkeys, so how did these two meet? They met at an animal sanctuary. It's a place where people take care of animals who need help. Avni was very little when she first came to the sanctuary. She needed a family. The people at the sanctuary knew just what to do. They gave her lots of love. And pretty soon, she was part of their giant family. Avni became friends with all the other animals there. Like Billow the cat. She loved her animal friends. But when Avni met Manu, something very special happened. Avni jumped right onto Manu's back. Ooh, can I hang out up here? Manu did not mind at all. And just like that, a friendship was born. A best friendship. Now, these two go on adventures every day. Down jungle roads, through grassy fields, and all around the sanctuary, saying hi to everyone they meet. Ah, good day to you. Nice weather we're having. Oh, and good day to you. Even when they're doing nothing at all, they are never apart. But one day, the people at the sanctuary told Avni that she was ready to head back into the wild. She was healthy and strong, and the wild is where monkeys are happiest. So Avni headed out. But pretty soon, she was right back at the sanctuary. She just missed Manu too much. Oh, Manu, what would I do without you? Now, Avni spends some time in the jungle being a wild monkey. But she comes back as much as she can to see her sanctuary family. And to take more rides on the Manu Express. All aboard! You just can't keep best friends apart. And Avni and Manu are definitely best animal friends.
Dodo Kids.
Like, comment, and subscribe.